with Simpler Times Homestead, and today we're going to continue with our wild edible series, and we're going to be looking at the broadleaf plantain, or the Plantago major. This is a follow-up to the Plantago lanceolata, or narrowleaf plantain video that we shot previously. Here we have a good example of the broadleaf plantain. You'll notice that the leaves are bigger, elliptical in shape. They still have the prominent veins that run parallel to each other along the leaf. Where the leaf connects into the rosette of the plant, it has that indentation right there. And you'll also see here the flower stem, the spike here. It's different from the narrowleaf plantain. It looks more like a tight braid of hair, and it's about 2/3 the length of the stem itself. The stem itself being unremarkable. Aside from that, there's no other leaves on it. Here's another shot over here of some more broadleaf plantain growing. I don't know how well you can see here, but I have a plantain leaf, the broadleaf plantain, and if you gently break it, you should be able to separate the leaf a little bit and see the veins that run through the leaf should still remain connected, just like that. Looks kind of like a wire whisk if you were to pull this a little bit further. It's really hard to pull apart without breaking, but if you were to do, you'd see that this that these veins that run through here, they are pretty strong, and it looks a little bit like a whisk, which is something that I remember hearing from someone that teaches wild plants, that one of the ways to remember this is it's kind of an egg-shaped elliptical leaf, and the veins form that whisk-like structure, like you would whisk an egg. So that's a broadleaf plantain leaf. You can see the veins again, parallel to each other, run the full length of the leaf, very pronounced on the front and the back. The young leaves of the broadleaf plantain can be eaten raw, but it's best to cook the older ones. Sort of similar to the narrowleaf plantain video that we spoke about. The leaves are best used when young. The other thing is these leaves can also be used medicinally, like the narrowleaf plantain, whereas you would just pick one of the leaves, you'd chew it up, and then you'd take that poultice that was made with the leaf and your saliva, and you would put that on insect bites and stings, and that would help reduce the inflammation and take some of the pain away. This has been George with Simpler Times Homestead, reminding you that it's the simpler things in life that matter.